wheel that spins kind of fast. My arm. Okay.
There it is. Floor almond.
We turned it upside down.
Floor almonds! And it kind of just spins there. Woo! Bananas. Really?
Okay, so then just...
In case you're wondering who this is, it's of course Bombany 500.
That's not your real name.
I know.
Sorry.
Shut up.
Plus Bombany 500 isn't even a real
Plus Bombany
car.
500.
Fiat 500 was a real car. It's Murcielago, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Murcielago Balvenies.
Why are we talking about cars?
Okay, let's just get back to the video. Okay.
And so, I'm at my friend's house, and we found this potter's
wheel. But then
wheel.
it fell off somehow, and this thing came off, and it made this noise. Then
And so I put it upside down on the counter, and that's what happened. Oh shit!
so, yeah. And then
We're just one big dysfunctional family here. Even though we're not really a family, but
what is functional?
yes, we are. We have quality issues. Just like this potter's wheel. What is that? An almond? Almond!
I want to test how long it can go with that on it. Okay. Can you time it? It's at...
Oh, you dared.
Okay, it would have fell off. But now you just ruined it.
I just screwed it up. So, we're eating hot dog.
Yeah, if anybody on YouTube can slow this down, because I want to see it.
If you can slow it down, like if you take this video and you can slow it down right here, and slow it down.
Please. You don't have that capability.
Slow motion video.
Idea.
You're just not seriously gonna put liquid in there. Oh my god, you are.
Okay, so then we did this.
What was wrong with my friend?
So get under it if you can.
Alright, go.
Yeah, stir water. Oh, oh, now it's making a mini, whatchamacallit?
Whirlpool.
Yeah, that's what we call it.
Huh. There's some of it on the camera.
It sprayed me in the face.
That's what she said. Zing! Haha! So tonight is probably going to consist of
Red vines.
playing with our Xboxes, coming downstairs for food, and that stupid potter's wheel. Oh my god, really, Cole?
I'll see if the water goes up. I would put dye in it, but...
Oh.
It's ready to go. There's one formation.
Very entertaining. Oh my god! What happened, Cole? You broke it. I'm kidding. Cole broke it. What happened? No! Ah! Sucker! No!
It's the Roomba.
Yeah, I was about to say, it's one of the Roomba vacuums.
Clean my house.
You should get a cat. You should get like this super light kitten, and then take the potter's wheel, and have the cat sit on it, like that, and then the cat would just be like going around the kitchen. Kitty! Kitty!
Hey, do you want to drink this?
No, thank you. Best drink ever. Clean my floors!
Oh, wait.
Clean my floors! FIFA with Potter wheel.
FIFA.
FIFA with the Potter's wheel.
Oh.
What are you throwing? Pick it
The
up.
battery fell
The
out.
battery fell out.
Hey, you slow down. Drop some back.
Okay.
Watch this.
Yeah, it's like the next Scream movie. No, don't put it. Really? You're an idiot.
Time to go upstairs.
Yeah. Oh, hey! 1, 2, 3.
That's the morning, not afternoon. Check out the windows. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. So we were up at 1:23 or 1:23 in the morning, getting poopsie.
You cannot see this clip.
Cole, take the towel away.
Clean the counter.
Getting poopsie.
Getting
Pepsi-
a little bit.
Pepsi's actually pretty good. Pepsi's actually pretty good. I'm not ripping on Pepsi. Pepsi's cool.
I hate Pepsi. I like Coke.
Coke is better than Pepsi, but
Okay. 3 things that are best in life: Coke, Ford, and
dubstep.
Xbox.
Coke for an
360.
Xbox, yeah. So guys,
That's deserved right, not the off-brands.
this vlog